So for number 6 here in your review, what we want to do is we want to take a look at and examine all the trig functions associated with an angle that passes through -3. Let's say that's -3, and let's say this is +6. So -3, 6. Right? You see that? So we're taking a look at really at this angle right here in standard position, right? But the reference angle is going to help us give all the values for the trig functions. So here's -3, 6. What that means is that this is -3, this distance from here to here. And this distance over here is 6, right? So we have a little right triangle there that's made. So the exact distance from point Q to the origin, that's using Pythagoras' theorem. And we have 6, and you can use -3 or +3, it doesn't really matter. So 6 squared plus 3 squared is going to equal r squared, and this is going to be r here. Okay, so we did A, and that's the setup for B, so you're going to solve for r, and I'll let you finish that. And then determine the exact values for sine of r, cosine, or sine of theta. So what we do is we use the reference angle, right? So the sine of, this is the reference angle, so sine of r, cosine of r, and tan of r. And the cast rule, remember the cast rule? C-A-S-T. So the sine is positive here in quadrant 2, and cosine and tan are negative. So once you find r, you use your memory mnemonics or Cox or Tix, and that's how you find the ratios for those. So that's the setup for number 6. Okay, so I'll let you work through that, but that's sort of a little nudge on that. And then I guess, so then D, right, determine the value of sine. You take any one of these ratios and just do second function and then solve for r. And then you do, that's the reference angle, so 180 minus r is your original angle theta here. Okay?